Hi, my name is Rick Salamonczyk. I'm a business development representative for ShoreGroup Solutions. Thanks for tuning in for today's Cisco Webex Teams demonstration. So, what is Webex Teams? Webex Teams is part of a new Cisco Webex suite of collaboration solutions, providing organizations a comprehensive and easy-to-use platform for meetings, calling, and messaging. Users can access Webex Teams from any device, so their smartphone, their laptops, their desktops, or a video endpoint. Webex Teams is truly team collaboration, providing continuous workflows in one secure application. And since it's cloud-based, users can access Webex Teams from virtually any device, anywhere, at any time. So let's get started. Let's bring up the app. So this is the app on my desktop, on my laptop. And I'll give you just a brief overview. Messaging, calling, meetings, people are all your connections, whether they're already an established connection or you want to add a new connection. You could do that by just entering their email address and sending them an invite. And you could share files, and you could use a whiteboard. So let's create a space. A Webex Teams space can either be with an individual or multiple people, a team. So any type of a project team or group of people working on some type of a project that need to keep in touch with each other and communicate on a regular basis, sharing information about that project. So let's create a team space, and I'm going to name it Webex Teams Demo. I'm going to add Ned Mahoney, who's already a contact of mine, and I will add Vanessa and create the space. So there we go. Now you can see the people in this Webex Teams demo space are myself, Ned, and Vanessa. So now let me show you how to message. So I can send this group a message. Just say, hi, thanks for joining. Send it off. They will both receive a notification that they have a new message. So they could come back to me with, any type of information that they want to share about this. Hey, I spoke to John. I'll catch up with you later. I'll see you at lunch, et cetera, et cetera. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to show how to share a file. If you click on the file icon, you can see it's a new space. There are no files currently there. But to add a new file, all you have to do is this paperclip icon, attachment, click on that. It will bring you to the files on your desktop. Select a file, open it, hit enter, and voila, it's shared with the group. So now they could download it to their desktop. They could show it in the folder and save it. They can modify it and send it back to you. So this is a great repository for any type of document, file, spreadsheet, picture, video that has to do with this particular project that this Webex team is working on. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting. So if I want to schedule a meeting with this team, I click on meetings, schedule a meeting, which will automatically bring up a calendar invite in my Outlook calendar and automatically put the members of that particular Webex team into the invitation field. It automatically puts in the subject, which I can change, puts in the location, which I could also change, and then you set the date and time. So let's just set it for today at 10 o'clock, 10 to 10:30. It'd be see you at 10, and then send the invite, and that'll be launched off. When it's time for that meeting, it'll pop up in Webex Teams. It'll give you a desktop reminder 15 minutes ahead of time. You could set that 5 minutes at a time, half hour, whatever you want, and remind you that it is time to join that meeting. Another way to schedule a meeting, say I wanted to schedule a meeting, just launch a meeting right now. I could go to meetings, and I could start a meeting from here, or I can go back into my Webex team group, and with this icon, my personal room invite, I can send them the link and say, please join now. Then I click on the icon, and I'll start with video. Oh, hey, Ned. I'm excellent, sir. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining this Webex Teams demo video. So at this point, Ned and I could communicate. We could share screens. I could share my Chrome screen so that Ned can see that. Ned, can you see that? And then we just move from within that. We could put up documents. We could whiteboard. There's a bunch of stuff that we could do from here. All right, Ned, thanks a lot, man. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. I'm going to end that meeting. And the last thing we're going to do, so you can see how simple that is. The last thing we're going to do is make a call. And I will call Ned again. So I'm going to call Ned. And it's basically a meeting in itself. Hey, how you doing? I was just showing a call. Thanks a lot. I will talk to you later, man. Bye-bye. So it's that simple. You can see really how easy and simple Webex Teams is to use. At ShoreGroup, we use it all day, every day to collaborate as a company and in project work groups, both within the company and outside of the company, with partners, with customers. It's just a tremendous tool. In my opinion, Webex Teams is a must-have for any organization. And to learn more, you can reach me at Rick Salamonczyk at ShoreGroup.com or 315-748-7442, or visit us at www.ShoreGroup.com. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.